Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to rank someone up in a Roblox group. 2024 edition. Not like it's changed in the last year, but anyways, so first, you want to make sure you're on the group that you want to rank someone up in. Then, you click the three dots right here. Then you press the button that says configure group. Once this loads. So now you wanna go here. You wanna press members. We recently rolled out new group features for groups being used to provide using this group to create content. Anyways, ignoring that. So let's see, who do we want to rank up? So anyways, you want to find the person you want to rank up, make sure it's the right person. You click the thing that says their current rank. Then right here is where you actually select their rank. So, team member. Now they're the team member rank. And it'll put a new log that says, whatever your username is, changed, okay. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on X at EpicDevX. Peace.